Hey, what's up everybody? Houston Loc Fairy here with another tutorial video. Thank you all for subscribing and liking the videos that I've been posting. Thank you for a great 2023. All of my new subscribers, welcome. I can't wait to get into this new one with y'all. So this one is how to do Loc Petals. Not sure if you guys are familiar with Loc Petals, but it's a beautiful, eclectic and creative lock style that you can do with your locks if they are longer than about 6 inches. Anything shorter than that, it's definitely case by case. If you can, qualify for the Loc Petals, your hair definitely has to be long enough and strong enough to handle Loc Petals. You don't want to do it on starter locks. It won't give you the same look that you're looking for, and your locks are not strong enough at that point. So you just don't want to manipulate your starter locks that much in the early stages of having your locks and mess them up in any way or damage them or thin them out or anything by doing Loc Petals, because this style can last you for a few weeks. So pay attention, guys. If you want to do this style at home, it is very easy to do. You can do it yourself. You don't have to have a loctician do it. So this is a great in-between lock style that you can play around with at home and do a single bun or 2 buns or even a Loc Petal bang. You can do your whole head Loc Petals. So you can get really funky with it, get creative with it, have fun with it. Because the whole point here, guys, is to have fun with your locks. So I am here to teach you guys how to maintain your locks, teach you the best methods for your locks, and how to style your locks. So if you have any questions or comments, please let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Alright, so what I'm using is a large size rubber band. You can get these from any store, Amazon, beauty supply stores, Walmart. There are regular size rubber bands, and then there's large size. The longer the locks are, I do recommend using the large size rubber bands. If the locks are small, small or skinny, then I would recommend using just a regular size rubber band. But the smaller the rubber band, the more rubber bands you're going to use. So I just try to cut down on the amount of rubber bands that I'm putting into my client's hair and also my own hair when I do this style. So I like the larger ones just because my locks are longer, and I can fold them into more petals with the longer rubber band than getting multiple smaller rubber bands. So what you do is you fold over the locks. Start by using 2 locks. The larger the locks are, the less locks you'll need in the petal. So I do 2 with larger locks. You can do 3 or 4 with thinner, smaller locks. So let's do 2 locks, okay? Let's say medium, large size locks. And then you want to make sure that they're the same length or close to the same length, so that they end at the same time when you're wrapping around and doing your petal. So use 2 locks, fold them over to the size that you want your petal to be. So the smaller the petal, the closer to your head the petal bun will be. The smaller the petals will be. So it'll be like a small flower bun. So the larger you pull the petal and fold it, the larger your petals will be. And of course, that'll give you more volume in your petal bun. So just depending on the preference, you could do either size. So you fold over the top portion, wrap the rubber band around, and then fold again and wrap around, and then fold again if you can. Now, when you get to the end of the lock and you can't fold anymore, then you wrap around twice with the rubber band just to make sure it's nice and secure. Make sure that it's sticking in the right direction. You really don't want floppy Loc Petals. Honestly, guys, I'm not a fan of the large floppy petals, I like my petals to kind of stick up like a flower. I get a better reaction from my clients when it is looking like more of a rose or like a flower petal than a floppy, just like a lock that you just want to move it out the way and do something with it. Unless you're doing bangs, okay? The floppy ones are good for the bangs because you don't want it to stick up in the air if it's a bang, okay? So I hope that makes sense for you guys. Ask me questions in the comments if you don't understand that part. But let's keep going. So as you can see in this video, I am twisting the rubber band around the base of the petal to secure it in place. And so half of the ponytail is done already. I've twisted her hair up into barrel twists into a single ponytail, and now I'm doing the petal bun at the top. So you can see here, I'm gonna pull about 2 locks out. 2 to 3 is good. I wouldn't recommend doing more than that because then you're gonna have a lot of uneven ends of your locks. Unless they're all the same length, then go for it. So 2 is good. Fold it in and wrap around. Now fold the rest of the locks. I'm using 3 here, and then wrap around. Right there is the end of the lock. So you want to make sure you get those ends nice and secure in the rubber band. You don't want any loose ends sticking out. I think the cleaner and neater you want it, then you need to tuck those ends in. I personally don't like the loose ends to stick out. I much would rather if they were tucked in to the bottom of the petal. Just, a personal preference. And, you guys, I go for the clean parts, the neat parting, the clean styles. So I think the end result looks a lot more professional when you pay attention to detail. So as you can see, I'm wrapping the 2 locks into the petal bun. I'm securing it in place. I've wrapped it and folded it twice. Okay? And then what you want to do is you want to make sure that you hold the locks in place while you are wrapping your rubber band around, okay? So this video is, good for a lot of locticians to learn how to do lock petals on your clients. It's also good for all of my clients to learn how to do lock petals at home in between their retwists. If you're going to an event, or if it's your birthday, or if you're just not able to come in and see me or get in with your loctician, this is a great style that doesn't require your hair to be retwisted to do, and it's fun for everyone. It's a unisex style, so men can do it, men can wear it, children can wear this style, women can wear this style. So just have fun with your lock petals. And after you take the petals down, you also have texture. So they'll be a little crimpy, they'll be a little wavy, and so that'll be a whole nother style for you to wear. So it's like a 2-in-1 style. So here's from another angle, guys. You can see me wrapping the rubber band around the locks to secure them in place. I have advice, tips, recommendations. If you just need a second opinion on something that's going on or a concern that you're having with your locks, I can give you, guys, I'm 100% transparent, so I'm going to be completely honest with you. We can do a Zoom call, a FaceTime call, or, however you like. If you're in the Houston area, I'm in the Galleria area, you can book a lock consultation and come see me so I can help you. I also offer lock courses for anyone interested in learning how to do lock styles. I have this option on my website at locfairy.com. It's on my Booksy page, and I have different courses that I can offer you guys to help you learn more about locks. If you're wanting to get into being a loctician and don't know where to start, let me mentor you. You know, I will show you the way. I'll give you the path. I will lead you to success. And, you know, you just got to take that leap of faith and invest in yourself and, you know, believe in yourself. That's all it takes, guys. You don't need a license or years of school or, you know, anything to do locks. So this is all if you have a natural gift and if you're willing to learn and put that commitment in and, you know, to do this. If you really want to do this, you can do this. So as you guys see, I'm finishing up the lock petal bun here. I just have a few more locks to go. Everything is nice and in place. Another thing, a little tip for you guys, you can use bobby pins inside of the lock petal bun if you need help trying to get the locks, the petals to sit a certain way. You can use bobby pins, large ones or small ones. Open-ended ones are better than the closed-ended ones. But that is it. It's just a bunch of rubber bands. So also let your client know that when taking this style down, they're going to have lots of rubber bands in their hair, okay? But make sure they don't cut their locks. Okay, so this is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love talking to you all today. This was a simple lock petal bun tutorial. Please tag me in any pictures when you try this style at home. I would love